Yes, exactly like that. We have the witch and Ohm Box, as per usual. Here you are. Oh, that's a nice paper. It's nice and thick. We have the Grimoire, as per usual. This month is Litha. The summer solstice. The summer solstice is a time for strength and vitality, for action and movement, by Carol Carlton. It's very pretty with a sunflower and a goddess. I don't know, a woman raising something. A hat, a very large hat. I don't know. I feel ignorant. What do you think that is? No, well, you tell me what this is. Okay. We have Abundance Bowl, a stainless steel gold bowl. That sounds ironic. Must be colored. Ooh. Cool, cool. Very nice. And then we have an Abundance Altar cloth made of 100% cotton. It is green. Aha. Very nice. Very nice. I like these little boxes. Ooh, what's this? Crystals! Abundance crystals. We have clear quartz, citrine, green aventurine, and pyrite. Ooh. Very pretty. This must be the pyrite. Maybe? Maybe not. What's in this one? Citrine. Maybe it's aventurine. Clear quartz. Citrine. And then, what's in here? Are you not capable of speaking today?
Ah, you caught me.
I was like, what are you doing?
I was trying to see how long I could go without saying anything.
I was feeling really awkward by myself here. I was like, this guy, this is the one that makes this fun.
Yeah,
this is
so
a cute green.
That's a green. That's a green aventurine heart.
Oh, aventurine.
It's all part of the Abundance Bowl, which is used for the money magic.
Ooh.
So we got the gold bowl, the green altar cloth, which I'm wearing. This is indeed 110 grams of raw pyrite. And then that's the bags are the citrine and the clear quartz chips. And you use it all to do magic to make more money.
Or maybe we can get more subscribers.
It's money magic. It's not subscriber magic. Subscriber magic is I take off all my clothing so you guys all subscribe.
I don't know about that.
It's not happening. But boy, would it work.
Well, you'd have to do an OnlyFans.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise, ooh, more perfume.
I have an OnlyFans.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. This
Abundance
is
perfume.
Abundance perfume, valued at. It smells delightful.
Yeah.
It really does. $15. Very wonderful smell. The Abundance Bowl is valued at $36. How exciting!
Ooh. That bowl is $36?
Well, it's the bowl, the cloth, and the stones.
Oh, okay, everything together.
That's valued at $36.
It's like that little bowl.
Yeah, because let me tell you, this isn't even a pound of stainless steel, and that's not worth that much.
He works in metal recycling.
I do.
This is Abundance Incense Blend.
Valued at $15. How's it smell?
Very nice.
Very similar to the Abundance perfume. Quite lovely.
Interesting. I didn't think they smelled the same, but they probably do.
I said similar.
It's got gum arabic, orange, cinnamon, cinquefoil, cedar, honeysuckle, 100% pure essential oils, bergamot, and patchouli with citrine.
Cool.
Very nice. And this is the last item of the witch box.
It is. It is the Abundance candle.
Woo!
Valued at $18.
Nice.
There's a loose, looks like aventurine and pyrite.
Yeah.
Then honeysuckle. Okay. It's okay. It's not no, it's a good smell. It's just I was used to such wonderful smells.
I think you're more sweet smells, like more full, like rich sweet smells.
Mm-hmm.
And this is more of a citrusy smell.
Sure, yeah.
Cool. Ooh. Ooh, should I open this one or the bag first?
The bag.
Oh, okay. Is that a book? Of course it's a book.
I don't know. Oh, yes, it is. Yeah.
Alright, we've got moon bath salts.
Fun. Valued at $15. There is a moonstone in there. Ooh.
Very cool.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna find this moonstone.
The theme of the Ohm Box this month is working with the moon.
Makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
I can't find it.
It's in there somewhere.
We've got Morning Star Quality Incense Jasmine. Is there jasmine in the bath salts?
I don't know.
Let's see. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I saw the jasmine flowers. So this smells nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice little small incense. Ooh, Japanese style incense. Fragrance that creates a mood of tranquility and peace of mind. Then we've got some moon tea. Jasmine green tea. Yep. Very nice.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And then we've got, looks like a candle.
It is a candle. It's a DreamWorks Pictures candle. DreamWorks Studios candle. It's a Shrek 2 candle. No, it's only one of those things. It's a DreamWorks candle.
Ooh.
4 ounces. Valued at $18.
Says cashmere flowers, daydream. Mmm. It smells nice.
Yes, it does.
Hopefully you can see.
Also included in this Ohm Box is an emailed mini course.
Yeah, I got kicked off the list or something for a while, but that has been resolved.
Good.
And
Nice
yeah,
job.
I think
Spiral ring.
yeah, it's good to solve things.
Mm-hmm. And finally, the Power Wish. Japan's leading astrologer reveals the moon's secrets for finding success, happiness, and the favor of the universe.
Oh, very cool. By Keiko.
Valued $25.
Marie Kondo says, Keiko's method can help people to make their dreams a reality.
Can.
More subscribers.
There you go. There you go.
No.
Keiko, subscribe.
Alright, that is June 2023 Witch and Ohm boxes from Spiral Rain. I hope you enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you enjoy and watch it again.
That would be a little much.
Probably not necessary. Yeah. Good amount of stuff.
Yeah. How do you feel about this month's box?
I think, as usual, I'm most excited about the candles and all the things that smell.
And though, you never use candles.
This is true.
You very rarely light them. It's always me who lights them.
Almost always, yes. But, as usual, Spiral Rain, these guys do scents very well.
Very nice scents.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and they're unique to the subscription boxes, so if you don't subscribe...
You're not going to find out these amazing scents.
Yeah, so you should
that are
subscribe.
the best part.
Hashtag no ad, because we don't get paid.
No, we do not get paid, but man, do we love the scents that come in the Spiral Rain boxes. They're fantastic.
Yeah, they're really
They
good.
are. They're glorious. Unpaid advertising. Here I go.
What they call organic.
Flex. Oh yeah. Sure.
Oh, I'm weak again. Oh no.
You're not weak.
But I used to have bigger muscle.
So did I.
Alright, enjoy your day. Or evening, morning, whatever it is.
Days only. Only enjoy your days.
The whole day, all 24 hours. The next
Okay.
24 hours, I hope they're fantastic.
But the 24 hours after that.
Could also be fantastic. Hey.
Kirsten.
Okay, bye. You can give a shout out to Lisa.
Not this time.
She can
Sorry,
talk
Lisa!
to-
Next time!